Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's WHAC. It's about integers, the next unit we're going to be starting. The key from today's lesson is to understand that with integers, if they've got the same signs, meaning both positive or both negative, you keep it positive or you keep it negative, and you add. If they've got different signs, that's when you know you're going to be subtracting or finding the difference between those two amounts. Here is a short video getting you started on this.
Hey, so I want us to think about how to add different types of integers together. And the first thing I want us to think about is a really, really fun one, which is adding integers where the two integers have the same sign. So if they're both positive, you've actually been adding these numbers the whole time because, of course, those are like whole numbers, and you know how to add whole numbers. If in fact, though, they're both negative, then it gets more interesting. So let me just tell you the general way to think about it, no matter whether they're both positive or they're both negative. Here is the rule. If you want to add two integers and they have the same sign, here's what you do. You just take the absolute value of each of them, you add up those numbers, which we know how to do, and then give the answer the same sign as the signs of the original numbers. That's all there is to it. So just for fun, let's take an example and see it working out live. So what I'd like us to do is I'd like us to add -7 and -8. So I want to consider -7 plus -8. So here they are, -7 plus -8. What's the first thing we're going to do here? We notice that we're adding two integers that have the same sign, right? They're both negative in this case. So what do? I take the absolute value of each. So the absolute value of -7, of course, is 7. Remember, all you got to do is lop off any negative signs, you see? The absolute value of -8 is in fact 8. So now we have the absolute values. We add those. So 7 plus 8 is 15. And then what do? We're going to now embrace the sign that is the same sign as the original signs, which remember, they were negative. So in fact, what we see here is that -7 plus -8 is -15. So you see how we captured that same sign? And that's all there is to it. So if you want to add two integers and they have the same sign, take the absolute value of both, add them up, that's easy, and then embrace for your answer the same sign as the original signs. And then you've just added two integers having the same sign. Congratulations, have fun adding integers. I'll see you soon.
Alright, now there's also a cute little song that goes with it, that goes to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So I'm going to play this one for you.
Here's a song to help you remember how to add integers. Feel free to sing along. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact.
Oops, keep going.
Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract.
Okay, pointing out here, see they're both negative, or this is different signs subtract, so you're subtracting the difference between 4 and 1 to get 3.
Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact.
Okay, feel free to replay that and watch it for understanding. Do it, and don't forget to do your WHAC. Write 3 complete sentences and your summary, and then create your question about the video. Thank you so much.